We're throwing a party. What are you gonna bring to the party? Snacks. Hello, everybody. Today we got a box of the GA 20th anniversary GA Bunko 2 Weiss Schwarz. Let's see. It'd be nice to get one of those two AGRs, SSPs, SP. That's what we're rooting for. I don't know much about Bunkos in general, other than I believe they're a compilation of various animes. I did look at the list briefly. The only two that I immediately recognized that I've seen are Goblin Slayer, which, yeah, I went into that blind. Woo! And then the Is It Wrong to Pick Up Girls, which I think is also called Denmachi. Okay, got us a little box topper. Night and Day. Ooh, that is cute looking. Oh, that's actually a really nice card. Yeah, I like the way that art looks. Kind of a yin and yang thing going on. Okay, so GA Bunko 2. Let's get into this. You know what? Let me turn the light on so I can get a little bit better video quality. That's right. All this stuff is shot live. You get the mistakes along with the good takes. Okay, it's an interesting backdrop. Got a cat and some food looking stuff going on behind her. Kind of a weird eyes, and yeah, she's filling up that shirt. Okay, I don't know what anime this is from, but looks like some kind of magic. Keep moving. Oh, I like the sultry look in those eyes. What is she tying or untying? Looks like that top is losing the battle. Oh, this is a cute outfit. Kind of got a little leather corset thing going on. Little fish thing happening in the background. Okay, interesting. And we got us a little cook. Can't tell, is that a tail? Oh, that's from a different cook. Oh, okay, like a waitress maybe. Oh, here's our rare. I don't know what scene this is from. Yeah, they didn't even pretend. There is nothing blocking anything on that. Okay, and our CR. Kind of a really muted, almost watercolor look to that card. Whatever anime that's from. Alright. I have a thing for witches, so I wouldn't mind pulling her, wherever she's from. This might be the same girl, and I wouldn't know. I'd feel silly. Okay, got a little fall thing going on. A little jump-in food thing. Was Food Wars included on this? I don't think it is. But that very much gives me Food War vibes. Food War vibes. Okay. Little mech girl going on. Oh, this cute little hairstyle with the braid and the flowers. And it's a double rare. How's this foiling? Oh, look at that foiling. That's cool. Wow. I actually like the way that looks. Like a little grid or, I don't know, plaid or something. Oh, that's neat. Okay, got us a double rare. Let's put that up there. Uncommon. Okay, I recognize them. That's from How to Pick Up... Is It Wrong to Pick Up Girls in a Dungeon? Yep. Definitely recognize them. Got us another rare. It's got the same kind of pattern foiling on it. Pretty cool. And our climax. Okay. 2 packs down. Uh-oh. Carrying her off. Oh, she's a waitress. She's serving food, he's serving... Oh, you know, I'm not going to finish that thought. Okay, another action one. Don't know what anime that's from, but I've seen that magic little blue circles. Is that water, maybe? Okay. Here's what appears to be the witch girl from the front. It's a double rare. Another double rare, cool. Okay, I like the blue eyes on her. This must be the same girl. I keep calling her a witch just because she has the hat, but... that hat could mean a mage or witch, pretty much anything. Got a nice sword there. Got us a regular rare, another witch's hat. Okay, let's put you over there. Ooh, look at this climax, another split card. Yeah, we've got like these kind of mech wing looking things behind them. Yeah, kind of reminds me of what's that anime where the lingerie comes to life and they have to fight each other at the crazy school by Studio Trigger. The name escapes me right now. It reminds me of that outfit. That's an interesting scene. And honestly, that roof is way too steep for you to be just chilling on it. You're gonna fall. You're gonna break a leg. Don't do it. That's kind of a cool looking scene. Alright, got a little schoolgirl with the backpack thing going on. That backpack looks sturdy. Holding a bear. Okay, having to study. Nobody likes to study. That's how I look whenever I have to read. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, she looks cute though. Okay. Got a piggyback ride, but look at the eyes. Oh my goodness. Like, he does not look like she should be there. And she looks like she has no idea where she's at. Yeah, this doesn't look planned. It's like she fell out of thin air and just landed on him. Okay, got us a rare. I can recognize this art style. I'm seeing it more and more. Okay, let's put that in the rare pile. And then our climax. She got some sultry look. She got a sultry look in her eyes. Okay. Uh-oh, almost halfway done already. That is really fast. Okay, this looks like the anime with the weird mech wings thing going on. Cute looking though. Back to the food stuff. You always see like the little ingredients floating around in the background. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. They look like waitresses, but they also have like these little spiky horns or ears. Can't really tell. Whoa, what is this? That's a cool looking card. Oh, it's a triple rare. Or is that a quadruple rare? What? No, I guess this is just a triple rare. Wow, let's go ahead. That's a neat looking card. I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this in Weiss Schwarz. Wow. I have no idea what this is. It says triple rare. If all the triple rares look like this, woo, that's kind of high quality. Here, let me set that down and we'll sleeve that thing. No idea if it's worth anything, but we are going to protect it. Because I have kids and they have grubby fingers and they're not supposed to touch any of my cards, but it doesn't mean that it won't come around and bump into stuff. Wow, that's pretty neat looking. Wow, that's cool. Let's set that up here. You get your own little spot. Okay, back at it. Goblin Slayer, recognize you. Okay, this has that same background as the food people. Doesn't necessarily mean anything. Got us another rare. Put you in the rare pile. And here we are with the climax. Kind of a couple girls holding hands, looking at each other very longingly. I wish somebody would look at me like that. Okay. Keep moving them around. Oh, didn't get that one open very well. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, she looks like she's holding some type of birthday party, and looks like maybe some food in the background, a little birthday banner or party banner of some kind. Cute expression. I like it. And I don't know what's really going on here. Generic dude. Okay, got a girl playing with a cat. Kind of a cute picture. Got a girl with some angel wings. This is a double rare. Yeah, it's a cute picture. Let's put that over in the double rare pile. That's my third one. Okay, this is the magic with the circles or whatever. Oh, I like this. I like this look. Biting her finger or biting the glove. Maybe she just has, you know, black hands, or maybe she's wearing that as part of her outfit. I don't know. Can't tell. I don't care. Cute. Like that one. Here's our rare girl with headphones sitting in an office chair. Maybe she's working. I can imagine she's talking to a coworker and he just made a joke she found amusing. Okay, our CR's here. It's an action-packed scene. I mean, even the way it's split between their faces on the sides, pretty neat. Okay, let's see how many we got left. Four more packs of the GA Bunko 20th anniversary set from Weiss Schwarz. Got a little armband, like a hall monitor thing. It's a big hat and a bigger coat. That coat is way too big for you. That coat could be a monster and it's coming to eat her. She's moments away from being devoured by this coat. Oh, this is cute. I always like girls with braids. Braids are always nice. I'm sitting in a field of sunflowers. Okay, she's got an interesting kind of look on her face. She doesn't seem very pleased. Maybe it's that giant building behind her, or whatever that is. Okay, cute. Back to the food things. This one doesn't have food. It has hearts and hearts and what is that? A couple of little wedding bears. Maybe she's making like a wedding cake. Oh, she's a bride. I didn't notice. That might be a wedding dress. Maybe she's getting married. Who knows? Oh, this is pretty art. I like the witch's hat. That art style looks really nice. Okay, I'm a fan of the bit. Alright, there's a rare and ew. I thought I was opening up GA Bunko, not Brown Dust 2. Set that in the rare column. Got the CR. Looks like a couple people fighting each other. Very action-packed scene. Alright, got 3 more. Almost done. Okay. Woo! Looks like she's mid-power up. Yeah. Okay, a couple cute girls. Not sure what's going on there. Looks like she has like a, is that a microphone up to her? Maybe she takes your order when you drive up through the window. Who knows? Okay, cute. Looks like it's from the same anime. Recognize that like tablecloth looking background that spans from corner to corner. Hey, I got a SR. Got you know, it's interesting foiling on it. This is one of the girls that have the mech wings. So a single star SR. I'm gonna put that up there because I don't think the single stars are worth a whole bunch. Okay, witch girl again. Got protagonist. A couple girls looking at them. One of them, they both look like they're blushing. Yeah, he must have did something so cool. And I bet you they're explaining it in this giant block of text. Oh my goodness. They're like, I played this card, and then you spend 3 minutes trying to read and figure out exactly what that card does. Got us a rare, another one with the mech wings. Yeah, we're on a roll with those. Okay, hey look, it's the climax, and it matches our promo box topper. Ah. It's the exact same card. Ooh, which one's which? Even the backs look the same. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Alright, 2 packs left. Keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Okay, got the witch girl again, some cherry blossoms. Sitting on a snow-covered wall. It's kind of pretty. She's got the curly hair. Not sure what's going on there. She's got like an emerald in her hand. I always thought this thing was about food. Maybe that's like a jalapeno pepper. Oh, looks like somebody just walked in on her. I've seen that look before. Usually they get slapped. Hey, an SR. It's the Goblin Slayer. That's a cool looking card. We saw this earlier, but not in the SR version. That's pretty neat. Hey, that's pretty cool. Set that up here with the other SR. Okay, this looks like something from the intro of the show, whatever show that may be. Very normal looking outfit, very mature. Got us another rare. She's got a bunch of ingredients. I see some mushrooms and more mushrooms and even more mushrooms. And a pear maybe, some nuts. Okay, rare, you go in the rare pile. And then another split card. Dude's, I guess, woke up to discover he has a tattoo on his hand. I'm sure it's not the same, but in the Fate series, that would mean he has a servant to control. Maybe the servants are one of those mech wing girls that we keep pulling. All right, pretty busty woman there. Okay, a couple of school outfits. Uh-oh, this person looks like they're from the water, like a merfolk. I got another SR. Looks like a 2-star SR. Kind of cool looking foiling. Oh, pretty happy looking scene. They both seem very pleased, and this art style is very nice looking, very detailed. Okay, I'll put you over here in the SR pile. Got 3 SRs. Not really sure what's going on there. Looks kind of normal. Another fairly normal one. Okay, got a blonde girl. She looks surprised about something. She's surprised. Hey, it's foil. This is a rare. You go in the rare pile. And then our climax. Whoa, this is a climax for sure. Yeah, somebody's climaxing. Okay, let's move these commons out of the way. And let's go through our lists again. All right. So for single rares, got us a blonde girl, got us a girl with a bunch of mushrooms, got us the yellow themed mech wing looking person. She looks very hot. Maybe she's made of wax and she's just melting. Yeah, that's what it is. The shirt definitely looks like it's melting. Okay, office girl, headphones. This has that kind of watercolor art style. This looks like an art style from when I was much younger. Those eyelashes or eyebrows. Okay, kind of a plain looking card. Oh, forgot this was in there. All right, you get out of here. Put something on, miss. Oh, this is a cute card. Yeah, I like the angel wings and kind of the bashful look, and her hands sitting there. Even the chair in the background looks yeah, looks really nice. It's a good looking card. We got Witch Girl. Oh, I didn't know she had like a coin hanging from the tip of her hat. Okay, kind of got like a Harry Potter jacket thing going on. This may be the same girl. Oh no, different color hair. Different witch. The more witches, the better. Okay, it's another pretty card. Got the nice little braid in the hair with the flowers. Okay. I don't know what to go to next. We'll look at the box topper. Very pretty card. And now let's look at the SRs. There's a 2-star SR. Pretty nice looking. Mr. Goblin Slayer. It's a cool looking foil. There's a lot going on in this photo, or in this art. One of the mech girls, or girls with mech wings. And then the final one, which again, I don't know. I've never seen a Weiss Schwarz card that kind of looked like this. I assume it's just a regular triple rare, but man, that thing is sweet looking. Wow, this might be my favorite pull in a while. Ever since I pulled the Fern Mage SP from Freerun. Okay. Well, I appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all. Stay tuned to hit subscribe, hit like. If you like this kind of videos, I got plenty of boxes to open. Help me get to 100 subscribers so I can open this box of No Game, No Life I've been holding on to. Till next time, see y'all later.